Understanding End-of-Life Requests, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a sensitive but important aspect of English language learning, understanding end-of-life requests. This phrase touches on both legal and ethical considerations and is significant in healthcare, legal discussions, and personal planning. Let's explore what it means, its implications, and how it's used in various contexts. An end-of-life request refers to wishes or directives given by individuals about the care or treatments they want to receive at the end of their lives. This could include instructions to refrain from using life-sustaining treatments, such as ventilators or feeding tubes, when recovery is not expected. It's a deeply personal decision, often documented in advance directives or living wills, to ensure that a person's preferences are respected when they can no longer communicate their wishes. End-of-life requests are crucial because they respect the autonomy of the individual, ensuring that medical care aligns with their values and desires. They also relieve family members and healthcare providers from making these difficult decisions without guidance, reducing emotional and ethical dilemmas about prolonging life through artificial means. Making an end-of-life request involves several steps. 1. Reflection and discussion. Consider your values, beliefs, and what matters most to you at the end of life. Discuss these thoughts with family, friends, and healthcare providers. 2. Consultation with professionals. Seek advice from healthcare professionals or legal advisors to understand the options and implications of your choices. 3. Documentation. Legally document your wishes through advance directives, living wills, or medical orders for life-sustaining treatment. Most post forms in some jurisdictions. End-of-life requests are influenced by cultural beliefs, religious values, and legal frameworks, which vary significantly across different regions. It's important to consider how these factors affect end-of-life care and decision-making in your or the concerned individual's context. Understanding end-of-life requests is essential for respecting personal choices and ensuring dignity in the final stages of life. We hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate these conversations with compassion and awareness. Remember, discussing end-of-life wishes is a profound act of care and respect for oneself and loved ones. Thank you for watching, and take care.